Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the PHP sorting arrays and we discussed and went over to the various sort functions for arrays. We discussed about the sort function. We discussed R sort, A sort, various type of sort functions. We discussed three functions last time. That is the sort, R sort and A sort. So today we are discussing the remaining three one functions, that is the K sort, A sort and AR sort and KR sort. Sorry. So we are discussing this one by one that how these works. First of all, let me recap the last things. We discussed sort, that sort the arrays in ascending order, and then we R sort, that it sorts the arrays in descending order, and K sort we discussed that it sorts the arrays in ascending order according to their key. And key concept last time we discussed very well. So today we are discussing about the AR sort functions, okay, which actually sort the array in descending order. So we need to do in proper code that how we did this one. So let me declare the PHP and we are discussing this one that how these things works. Let me write it. Sorry, here was. So once I declared this one, now what I need to do, I'm just declaring a variable. Let's say I'm taking a variable age. So once I declare this variable age, what I need to do, I'm just taking an array. So array I have taken. Now here I'm giving you some, I'm taking the ages and names of the some guys. Let's say I'm taking a guy named Umar and then I am assigning a age. I'm assigning, let's say his age is 19. So I assign this value. I need to save some more values in it as well. Let's say the second guy name is Zen. So I saved it here. Okay, let me write this one also, comma, his, let's say his age is 20. Okay, these two values I saved successfully. Now what I need to do after declaring this, now I am taking a sort function. Okay, how I want to sort these arrays. Okay, as I have taken two entries, so I am using AR sort function. Okay, so taking this AR sort function, in this bracket, I need to give the variable name, okay, where I save the array. So as I have taken the age, so here I need to give that age variable inside it. So after taking this one, the next step is using the for each loop. And I told you the purpose of the for each loop, why we are not using the while loop, for loop, and other loops, because for each loop especially works on arrays. Okay, it is specially designed in PHP to for work and handle arrays. So I am taking here for each loop. So here I need to give the variable where I save the array, that is the age. Okay, so once I have taken this, now key value, let's say key, I am taking a variable, let's say considering and supposing it's y. So once I have taken this one, now here what I need to give here the value, let's say I'm taking the value. Okay. So once I declare this one, now what I need to do, I'm just displaying the result and then we count. Okay. Echo. So echo, what I need to display, the keys. Okay. The keys, and I need to display the variable. Okay, the variable which I declared here one. Okay, actually which um when arrays works on it, it will store the key values in this variable, that is $y. So I call this function, then dot what I need to concatenate, then I'm giving you then I am displaying the value as well. So here I'm taking the value. Okay, so once I have taken this value, and then I need to display one more thing, that this $y value. Yes, this one. So once I have declared this one, now you will see the result and I will explain it to you as well. Okay. Now one more thing I need to do, that is called the echo. In echo, I need to give the break, okay, to display the result in different line. So I have taken this one. Now, first of all, I will show the output that how it will work. Then I will explain it again that what I did in this code. So I need to go back in my browser So now I need to refresh my page. So here one it is giving an unexpected token. Might be there is some comma mistake on what line. I need to check on line number 2. We did some mistake. We need to go back in the browser that where we did the mistake in line number 2. So I have declared the age and array. I have taken well. What type of error is giving? That is the dollar age for each loop. Why this is displaying and returning an error? Dollar age. Okay, need to be checked that why this error is coming. Okay, so here I have declared this one also well and fine, no problem at all. Okay, sorry, I did one mistake here. There is no comma coming. Okay, sorry, and here one also there is no comma. Okay, because this is the key. Okay, and key stores this value 19, same like Zen is the key and it stores 20 in it. Now hope so the error will resolve and you will see the output on my browser. So need to go back in the browser. Now this time need to refresh. Yes, as you see that result which you are seeing, that Zan and its key value is 20, same like we have the Umar and its key value is 19. Now I need to go back and just removing this key. Okay, because it is making too much complexity, so I'm just removing these keys. Okay, I do not need to display this one. So what I did, first of all, I declared an array, and array, which array I have taken, okay, which stores the key value. This is actually the key Umar, and it stores the value 19 in it. Same like Zen is the key and it stores 20 in it. Then I use the sort function, okay, and this sort function I use because it will sort the array in descending order. Okay, descending order. As you see, first of all, uh, first of all, I use the a sort function, and in a sort function, what I did, I stored this age where I declared this array. Then I use a for each loop, which especially works on arrays. I use the dollar age as and that y value I stored in this variable. This is actually the key. Okay, dollar. Let's suppose y is the key and it stored this value. So that's why I have taken this. This is the key, and it every key has its value. So in result what I did, I said display this value. Okay, I stored the display this one. This value contain whatever result stores, display that one result plus that one also. Okay, so it will actually displays the name, okay, as well as the age for the guy where we stored the arrays. Okay, so this is how the a sort functions works, that how you sort the things. Okay, and be remember that the AR sort functions works in descending order. Okay, now we need to go in another array that is called the kr sort, and also kr sort also works on in descending order. Okay, you will see the result. Okay, I'm just changing this one. Okay, instead of a I'm using the k kr sort. Now need to check that what will be the result for this particular one. I need to go back in my browser and need to be checked. Okay, then its value, and you see the result is same. Okay, it actually sorts the array in descending order as well, like in the AR sort functions. Okay, and we have one more functions which we are using, that is the last one. That is about to the R sort. Sorry, R sort functions. R sort we discussed. Okay, we discussed the KR sort and we discussed the AR sort. Okay, we um, we left one that is called the A sort. Sorry. So how the A sort works? Now I need to, if I replace this KR with A. Now we'll see how the A sort functions works. And we remember A sort actually sort your arrays in ascending order. So need to be checked and need to be go back in the browser that will see. Now Umar will be on the top and Jan will be in the bottom. As you see, Umar, and it has key value 19, its age basically, and same like we have the Zan and it has key value 20. So these six type of functions we discussed, that how you sort the arrays using the R sort, using the K sort, using the AR sort, using the K R sort as well. Next topic we have PHP super globals. And what are the PHP super global variables? Okay, super globals actually introduced in PHP 4, 4.1, I think so. And they are the built-in variables, okay, that are available in all scopes. Okay, you can use a super global variables, okay, anywhere in any function, okay, either it's private or scope is simple. You say that it is available in all scopes. Okay, you can declare the global one, it's global, that's why it is called it's global. Okay, you can use anywhere in the code. So we have the various PHP super global variables. Okay, I'm just writing one by one for you. We have the one variable that is called the PHP global. Okay, yes, as you see, these all are the global ones. Okay, that is the post method, get method, cookie, server, request, session, post. Okay, files. Okay, these all are the super global variables. Okay, and their scope is always accessible. You can access any these functions in anywhere in the code. So these are about to the super globals, and we will briefly discuss these super global things. Okay, in next video, that how super global variable works inside the function or outside. Okay, so we will discuss these things very detailed. Then we have the PHP, some regular expressions as well. Okay, and then we will start working on PHP forms. So guys, I hope so today lecture is clear to you. We only discuss few things about the remaining three sort arrays function, that how you sort the arrays. Guys, if you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe and share. Meet you in next video. Take care.